children. Good evening. How are you? Hope you all are good. Now children, it's time to start our today's session where we are going to learn about water and its uses. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about water and its uses. But before that, let's see what all are the learning objectives for this activity. The learning objectives for this activity are introduce water, introduce the uses of water, enhance fine motor skills, stimulate creativity. The resource which is required to perform this activity is a video which is available under the resource folder of the app. So let's start the activity. Children, can you see this picture? Can you tell me what is this? This is water. What is this? This is water. And water is very useful to us because we need water every day. We need water for drinking, cooking food, washing clothes, even cleaning our homes also. Even animal and plants also need water to grow. So water is very useful to us. We are going to see the uses of water. But before that, I'm going to sing the water cycle song for you. And you have to listen. Okay? Water travels in a cycle. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Water travels in a cycle. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It goes up as evaporation, forms cloud as condensation, comes down as a precipitation. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Let's sing one more time. Water travels in a cycle. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Water travels in a cycle. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It goes up as a evaporation, forms cloud as condensation, comes down as a precipitation. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Now, we are going to see the uses of water. Water is very useful to us because we need it every day. Now, we are going to see the different uses of water. So, we need water to drink. We need water for drinking. We drink water when we feel thirsty. After eating our meals, we drink water. We also need water to wash fruits and vegetables. We need water to clean the fruits and vegetables. We use water to cook food also. You must have seen your mama using water to cook food. We also use water to clean ourselves. So while bathing, washing our hair and brushing our teeth, we use water. We use water to clean ourselves also. We also need water to clean things like dishes, glasses after we eat food. We also need water to clean our house. We also need water to clean our clothes. Even plants, animals and birds also need water. Birds and animals also need water to drink. And even plants need water to grow. So children, have you understood that how important water is to all of us? So we should not waste water, and we should always drink clean water. I'm sure that you all had fun knowing about water. Now it's time to say bye. Thank you.